Shiloh let Charlie chase her up a tree last night. The wrong tree. So I'm out first thing in the morning to rescue her. And as you can see, another 7 minutes later, it's still not going to work. I go get the heavier ladder and a snow shovel, and back up the ladder I go. The ladder's not stable, back down, change the ladder, grab the rake, decide to put my scarf around the rake, climb back up the ladder.
Hold on to it, baby. Hold on to it. 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 He's caught in my coat. I got you. I got you. I got you, baby. Mama got you. Mama did it. We did it. We did it, Shadow. All right. Now, gotta hold on to Mama. Okay? You happy to be down? What do you think, Tink Tink? You happy to have her down?